Hi Simple, we are seeing on a daily basis or on a weekly basis, we are facing some of the other incidents and we are triaging those incidents. Since I joined this project recently, so I'm not very aware of the process. Can you please help me understand the flow, how we are exactly approaching to the incident management process?
I'm seeing that you are handling low priority incidents. I think I'm getting your question that you want to get involved in resolving major incidents. Ravi, really appreciate it. I like your enthusiasm. Being a junior resource, want to handle major incidents. See, first you should know what is the definition of major incident. Why we call major incident is if there is a huge financial impact to the customer, then that incident is called a major incident. So let me explain the steps that we have to follow to handle major incidents. First is communication. Communication is an important process in production support world, meaning you always have to keep the customer informed on the progress of the incident. No news to the customer is not at all good. So as soon as we receive the incident, irrespective of the priority, first thing is we have to acknowledge the incident. In case of major incidents, we should acknowledge the customer within 15 minutes. That is the SLA as well for the severity 1 or 2 tickets. And then we have to start triaging. For communication, you can follow the template that I will be explaining in the board. It's a very simple template developed by TCS, but customers are liking it and they are also using it within their organization. See, if the incident involves multiple teams, open a technical bridge and start the discussion. In parallel, we should also make notes whatever the discussion is happening in the bridge call. So let me explain in the board. The first thing is you have to create an incident and you have to update the incident number. Then the INC description, that is the issue. What is the issue? The third is what is the impact and who are all impacted. In case of a financial impact, in this case it is a major incident, definitely there is a financial impact. We can mention that. Then the next thing is event chronology. So what are all the discussions happening in the bridge call? Sometimes the bridge call may happen 2-3 times after a gap of 1 hour, 2 hours. So we have to record the chronology of events, and whomsoever is working on the incident, we have to get an ETA and we have to publish the ETA. And the next item is communication. So the customer may be interested to know the progress of the incident. That is why we are sending it. In case if the customer wants some more information, then the customer has to reach out to us. For that reason, we are giving our support team here. The next thing is during the major incident, we also have to inform the customer that when the next update will be coming. So proactively, if we are mentioning the time 5:30, so we have to send the next update at 5:25 itself. Being a good news or a bad news, but we have to send it, and what are the next steps that we are going to follow. So always keep the customer informed on the progress of the incident till it is resolved. And once it is resolved, we should also, our responsibility is also to do an RCA and publish the RCA to the customer and make sure that this incident is not going to occur in the future. I hope I have clarified.
Thank you, Sanjay. It was very insightful and got how to handle the major incidents.
Thank you.